Hi everyone, welcome back. On our last video, we secured the order and reserved the stock, and now it's time to fulfill that promise. In this video, we are creating our first delivery note, and this is the document that officially moves products out of your warehouse and into the customer's hand. Instead of starting from scratch, we are going to use the workflow shortcut. Open the sales order we created in the last video. And since the customer has already confirmed, simply click create and select delivery note. Notice how our ERP does the heavy lifting for you. Every detail, the customer information, the shipment bags, even the tax template pulls through automatically. This actually eliminates data entry errors and ensures your warehouse team exactly knows what to load. Before we finish, ensure you've selected the correct warehouse. This is very vital for your stock accuracy. Once you hit submit, the system instantly updates your inventory levels, and you'll know exactly how many bags are left in real time. Your goods are now in transit. You've successfully moved inventory and created professional delivery record. This is how you manage a high volume business without the paperwork headaches. The shipment is on the way. Now let's get paid. I like this. In the next video, we turn the delivery note into a sales invoice. See you in step 8. Thank you. Adios.